Yo guys, it's AG. In this video we're going to be scripting our main menu. We're going to be using C#, but in the next one we're going to be using Java for those of you who use Java. Alright, let's open up Unity and get started. Alright, you're going to click your project and wait for this to open. Alright, once we're in, we're going to go ahead and delete our directional light. Go into our main camera. Right next to clear flags, you're going to click skybox and change it to solid color. This is just going to change our game view to a solid background. Alright, so we're going to go in our assets folder, right click, create a folder. I'm going to call this scripts. Alright, I'm going to go inside our scripts folder, go and create C# script. I'm going to go ahead and call this menu. I'm going to double click it to open it and mono develop. Wait for this to open. Here we are. Alright, so once we're in here, we're going to go ahead and delete our update function. Alright, backspace. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and come up here. We're gonna call this public string current menu. Alright, come in our void before anything. Current menu equals, we'll get into that later. Alright, so come under here. I'm gonna go ahead and start making our own GUI. This is where we're gonna place all our menus. Alright, and under here we're just gonna start making our menus. So alright, so if we're gonna make a main menu, you're gonna go if current menu equals main. You're gonna go main menu. You're not gonna see anything pop up just yet because we haven't made it yet. So we're gonna come under here. We're gonna go private void main menu. See, now we'll get rid of that error that we had. Alright, so we're gonna come under here and we're gonna make a host menu. Alright, so we're gonna come under here and add that. Anytime you add a menu, you're gonna have to come in here and call and make, put it in here as well. Alright. Alright. So for us to navigate through the menus, we're gonna have to make a public void and call this go to. But you can call it like, to menu, navigate on, or whatever you like. I call it go to because it's short and easy. Make this string next menu, open curly braces, next menu. Alright, so if here, for example, if GUI dot button new rect screen dot width divided by 2 minus 75 screen dot height divided by 2 minus 75 150 and let's make this 50. Now I'm gonna call this host Oh, you know what? We're gonna call it private match. Alright, so we're gonna make open curly braces. So I'm gonna go to host menu. So once we click this button, alright, that being said, we're gonna create another button here. If GUI dot button new rect screen dot width divided by 2 minus 75 screen dot by 2 minus 75 150 and 50. Yes. Okay, coast a match. Open curly braces. And let's go to make another menu. Oh, wrong one. No, that's right. Why? Alright, hold on. You're gonna get this error right here because I forgot a parentheses. That should fix it. Now we're gonna come under here. Actually, we should call it up here first. And we're gonna if current menu equals lobby. Come under here, private void lobby. Alright, this should be lobby. Alright, so go in here and go to lobby. Alright, what these are basically where you want the button. This will tell you where on the x-axis is gonna be, and this where's the y-axis. So this is left and right, up and down. These two tell you how big and or how thick and wide you want it. This will be how long, and this will be how thick you want the button. So if I were to make this like 300, it'd be really big from the y-axis. Same with this right here, it'll be on the x-axis. So let's make a back button. We just actually no. Copy these. Host a match. Gonna change this to back, and it's gonna lead us to the main, which is this menu right here. Alright, now we can change this to go under it. So let's go 45. Now let's go 30. Yeah. Let's make this 25. 25. And let's actually make this to 45. Alright, now if we go into the lobby, alright, so let's make some labels to know what menu we're in. GUI.box new rect screen dot width divided by 2, not 1, 75 minus 75 screen dot screen dot height divided by 2 minus 200 150 and 25. I'm gonna go main menu go. I can just copy this. And go here. We're gonna go host match, or private match at least. Let's just call this a private match. Same thing as hosting, because people are gonna join your private match. And we're gonna come in here. Let's call this lobby. So if we save this, go back into our scene. Alright, I'm gonna drag this onto our main camera. Go into our main camera, we can see it down here. Let's close this. Now if we click play, it should work. And it didn't work. Oh, wrong one. Oh, that's right, forgot this current menu. That's the current menu we're gonna start off, and that's gonna be our main. Totally forgot that. Alright, so now if we click it, it should work. Alright, so let's go play. Let's wait for this to load up. Main menu, private match, host a match, back. Lobby, main menu. I totally forgot to change that. Alright, so we go into our lobby, change this to host, which is this menu here. Alright, that being said, what else do we want to do? Once we're in our host match, we could we can name our server. So before we do, we gotta come up here, call this public string, there we go, match name. Alright, so come down here to host, and let's create a label. So let's do GUI.label new rect where do I want this? Let's see. Alright, so no, let's not make a label, let's make it a box. We're gonna go new rect screen dot width divided by 2 minus 75. So let's make this 135, or plus 135 at least. 135 screen dot height divided by 2 is 45. Minus 75. 150. 25. Let's call this match name. Alright. And let's make this, instead of host a match, let's make it host match. So we're gonna make match name equals GUI.text field new rect screen dot width divided by let's make it no plus 135 screen dot height divided by 2 minus 45 150 25. Let's see. Let's match name. Alright. So, do we want to make... I mean, we could make a password, but... yeah, let's not make a password. Well, I'll just go ahead and make one for those of people that want to. So let's go GUI.box new rect screen dot width divided by 2. Let's make this 345. Let's try that out. Screen dot screen dot height divided by 2. Minus 75 150 25. And let's go match password. Alright, let's go. You gotta come up here before we do that. Right here, gonna be public. No, not public. Public string. Match password. Alright, now we can come under here. Where is it? Here it is. And we could do match password equals. Why am I getting an error? Did I spell it wrong? Yeah, there we go. Match password. GUI.password field. Make this new rect screen dot width divided by 2. Plus 135. Screen dot height divided by 2 minus 45. Alright. We're gonna do 150 and 25. Gonna come in here. Match password. Make another one. This is whatever, like, you know, when you type a password, it shows an asterisk usually. But if you type anything in here, it'll show up as a password basically. So if I type in, like, if I put X here, any letter that I type is gonna show it an X. Alright, so let's try this out and see how this works. You can see match name, match password. Let's click play. It's a private match. Match name, and we don't have a password. Why is that? Oh, we put this the same. Let's make it 345. There we go. Now it should work. Alright, click play. And I apologize, I don't have the fastest computer in the world. Alright, private match, match password, match name. Here we go, host match. And go to lobby. So on, so on. How long have I been streaming? 20 minutes. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end it here and continue tomorrow. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next episode. Alright guys, I'm recording this after what I just did. I forgot to tell you, I was gonna go ahead and save our project. Save project, and I should save it to where you saved it, and you're gonna click save scene. You're gonna go to your assets, gonna click new folder. We're gonna call this scenes. Gonna go inside it, and we're just gonna call this menu. Alright, now I'll see you on the next one.